I'm Tatum with Tam's agency. Today I'm going to answer a couple questions that everybody seems to have about insurance. One of the first questions somebody likes to ask us is, how do you come up with our home value of $190,000 when my home seems to only be worth $90,000? Insurance seems to come up with a replacement cost value for your home, and we run a program that shows a lot of different things: square footage, what you have in your home. You might have some expensive wood, fireplace, hot tubs. There's all different kinds of factors that go into it, and that's how we come up with the replacement cost value. If you have any questions, my contact information is below. I love to be challenged on questions about insurance. So any questions out there that you might be skeptical about or whatever, let me know and I'll look into it and get back to you. My information is below.